Is Windows failing to load because of the Wlanhlp.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we dive into the Wlanhlp manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Wlanhlp, the Wireless LAN Helper library. It provides unmanaged utility routines for processing Wi-Fi authentication and configuration manifests, managing the data link for system-integrated wireless orchestration. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scannow to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Wlanhlp.dll. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wlanhlp. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A quick warning, many sites offering Wlanhlp.dll are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Wlanhlp. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Wlanhlp error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.